Okay, active data guard from physical standby. Till now we have seen how to configure a physical standby. We have also seen how to play around with the MRP process. We have also seen how do we troubleshoot a physical standby database. But right now we are seeing a new configuration like how to convert your physical standby database into an active data guard. Remember, going back to our previous lessons, we have already discussed what is an active data guard. Just to reiterate, like active data guard comes with your enterprise edition, but to use your active data guard you need to have a separate license. And because the active data guard benefits are very high, Oracle has created a separate license to it. Now when we talk about benefits, remember we know that in active data guard your database is open. People can query from your database but they cannot make any changes, and at the back end the archives which are received from the production will be applied to your standby database, which means you can use your active data guard for real-time reporting purpose. And because an active data guard is nothing but an open physical standby, that's why block to block it is exactly same as your production server. So you can even offload your database backups which run onto the production server and then take the RMAN backups from your standby server because it is active data guard mode, and that's how you reduce the CPU load onto the production server. Any which ways, there are many benefits of active data guard. Right now we are only discussing about how to convert your physical standby into an active data guard. Let us look at how do we enable the active data guard. See, active data guard is nothing but, in simple terms, it's an open physical standby. Right now we have configured a physical standby database. When we open a physical standby database, it becomes an active data guard. So what is a physical standby database? A physical standby database is always in mount state. An active data guard is a standby database which allows only select queries. No updates, no deletes, only select queries. You can view the data, but you cannot modify the data. Now when you open your physical standby as read only, it becomes active data guard. See, we know that in physical standby we first take it to no mount stage and then we mount it as standby database. But we have never gone beyond the mount stage. If you take your physical standby from your mount stage to open state, but you open it as read only, then it becomes active data guard. And also we have discussed this one, active data guard needs a separate license even though it is available with the enterprise edition. Never ever while working with the client right away enable the active data guard, because if Oracle Corporation gets to know this one, they'll fine you guys. Sometimes what happens, because it is available in the enterprise edition, why not just activate the active data guard, and you might think like Oracle Corporation would not know. Remember, tomorrow if there is an error in your environment and you seek the help of Oracle Corporation, you need to send some logs from your environment. Now when you send those logs, Oracle will get to know that okay, you are using a feature for which you have not taken the license. They will fine you heavily. So don't try with all these things while working with Oracle.